guess what? We're back again and we're with Nanoleaf. Now I interviewed them in April, we're in October now, and they've got some new products to show us, but in April, I remember Jonathan, you were telling us about your fancy LED light. Can we just pull this out?
Yeah, certainly. So, we first started with extremely energy efficient light bulbs. That was our background back in 2014.
And it was very cool to touch.
Yes, exactly.
So you've got this in shops in the US, is that right?
So we've been selling globally. We're with distribution in 20 plus countries.
Right.
So we started with the light bulb and we added the smart element to it.
Right.
So this is connected via your smartphone.
Wow.
Meaning you can use smartphone to control it.
Right.
So we've been selling this in the market. It's a very unique kind of product in terms of design and functionality
I love
as well.
it. And it's very cool to touch.
Yes.
And that's amazing. There's your traditional connection and
correct.
touch here.
So I can actually control with a new iOS home app with the control center. So I can actually, these light bulbs I can just turn off via the home app.
Right, and you can do the same to the triangles too.
Exactly.
Right?
So I can actually do the brightness as well.
Right.
Within the control center.
I like that. So this has been launched for over 12 months now. So how's your distribution going around the world?
It's good. We're constantly growing. I think.
So what major chains have you got in the US with this?
Major chains.
Yes.
So actually with our newest product that we rolled out, we just rolled out with Best Buy in 500 plus stores.
Wow.
And we're also rolling out with MoMA, which is the Museum of Modern Art based in New York.
Modern art.
Yeah.
In the US.
In New York.
New York.
In New York City.
Wow.
Yeah. So MoMA is a big kind of establishment in New York. A lot of tourists. They have a big design store.
Right.
And so they're featuring our newest products. So in terms of distribution, we're constantly growing.
Wonderful.
We're targeting consumer electronics and also design outlets.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because one thing struck me about Nanoleaf was you got the way of distribution right, because you had that right plantogram where people can see it from the 8 feet and then touch it or really see all the detail from 3 feet away in the Best Buy or in the supermarket or wherever it is, right?
Well, we've been lucky. I mean, our product is actually very versatile.
Right.
It markets to quite different groups of consumers. First, as I said, consumer electronics people who like new technology, cool gadgets.
Right.
But we also appeal to the designer crowd that like cool, kind of well-designed products.
Right.
And also kind of just people who need good lighting. Right. So yeah, we're very versatile.
I'm really interested. What has to happen now for this to go to a larger stage of production, to a larger ramp up? Are you looking for more distributors, or are you convincing Best Buy to put it into more stores?
Well, I think it's a chicken and egg. With more distribution, then you can ramp up your scale of production. I think obviously the demand really drives the production scale. So the more demand we have, the more reason for us to ramp scale.
Okay, so what's been the biggest challenge with production?
I think it's just managing demand, kind of understanding when demand comes in, how we grow that, how do we keep it on a consistent basis.
Right,
forecasting, and also kind of understanding our channels, so we kind of communicate with them. So how many do you want on a consistent basis so we can plan ahead. But also, I mean, for us is also coming out with new products, right? So we're talking about our old generation product, but with the new stuff.
Let's talk about your new stuff.
Yeah, sure, yeah. This is a completely new product that you probably saw last time. It was only a prototype, but now it's in mass production. So the idea is, yeah, these are in mass production. These are sitting on Best Buy shelves now as well.
Wow, already in Best Buy in the US, right?
So this, from ideation to mass production, took us around 10 months.
10 months?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So show us how it's working.
Yeah, so the idea for this is these are modular smart panel lights. Okay. So these basically are very lightweight panels that are very easy to install and assemble. So this is a simple USB connector. So all you need to do is just plug this in. And if you want to plug in, all you need to do is find the connector, plug it in.
There it is.
And there it is. You can sync it
mix
up.
and match.
Mix and match,
Now,
and you can create your own shapes.
Now, how are you marketing this?
Good question.
It's different from, like, you don't market this as to create light in a room.
Actually, you definitely can. Wherever you need
not like your LED
but I mean,
bulbs.
Imagine any light in a room like that.
Right, okay.
On the wall.
Okay.
This is illumination. Wherever you need light, this can be used.
So that's how you're marketing it?
Yes, exactly.
And the colors? You change the colors with the app.
Yes, so this is all customizable via an app. So So the connection here is probably not the smoothest, but the idea is you can really change kind of the lighting experience animation, right? And also you can actually change individual panels, color of the panels as well.
Amazing.
Through this app. So
Wonderful.
highly customizable. So we
Okay, so this actually changes the game in terms of how you get customers' attention in Best Buy or in your other distributors.
Definitely, because there's nothing like this in the market.
Yeah.
We are definitely selling a very unique product. And the way we design this, we want to empower users to give the creativity and design element back to you.
Why did you come up with a triangle?
Good question.
Why not a square?
Good question.
Why not a hexagon?
That's it. Because we think that triangle is actually the simplest geometric form that can actually create more shapes. If you think about a square, square is always going to be very linear and edgy. But with actually triangles, you can actually have angles. Right? And so triangles, we think, is the most simplest geometric form that is the most versatile.
So what about the power source for this?
So there's a controller right here.
Oh, this is very important. So
this is a controller that has the Wi-Fi and all that built in.
What's the maximum number of these this controller can
This can
connect
control
to?
up to 30 panels.
30. Wow, that's more than the average wall can handle.
Yes, exactly.
All right, and so what ampere is this running at? What wattage?
Wi-Fi. Oh, each panel
Yeah.
is maximum 2 watts.
2 watts. Okay. All right. And this you got it running out of a transformer.
Yeah, and transformer, and then a transformer right there.
Okay.
And then a plug-in
All
wall.
right. Transformer. Wonderful, wonderful. Wow, it's great to see new products. Nanoleaf going from strength to strength.
Thank you. We're always trying. We're always innovating. We can't stop. We can never stop.
Wow. Appreciate this.
Thank you. Thank
This
you.
Jonathan, Nanoleaf, O'Connor, Global Sources Launchpad. Catch you in the next booth. Bye.
Already.